Hi everyone! In this video we will show you how to turn on HP Docking Station G5. First, place the HP USB-C Dock G5 on a stable surface near your laptop. Now locate the power port on the bottom of the docking station. Then connect the power adapter to the dock and plug the other end into a power outlet. Make sure the power connection is secure before continuing. Next, connect any devices you want to use with the dock, such as monitors, keyboards, mice, speakers, or USB drives. The dock includes several connection options including USB ports, display outputs, and a headphone jack. You can also use the additional USB Type-A ports on the side of the dock and the USB-C port located on the front. After that, locate the attached USB-C cable coming from the docking station. Now connect this USB-C cable to the USB-C port on your laptop. The USB-C port is usually located on the side of the laptop near the screen hinge. Since USB-C is reversible, you can plug it in using either orientation. Once the laptop is connected, wait a few moments for the dock and laptop to establish a connection. Your laptop may automatically detect any connected monitors, accessories, or network connections attached to the dock. Now press the power button located on the top of the docking station. The light on the power button will illuminate, indicating that the laptop is powering on through the dock. After that, wait for the laptop to finish starting up. Once the operating system loads, you can begin using all devices connected through the docking station. If the dock does not appear to be working, double-check that the power adapter is connected properly and that the USB-C cable is firmly plugged into the laptop. You can also disconnect and reconnect the USB-C cable if needed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.